Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Binance Web3 wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to first need to do is open up your Binance app and make sure to log in. Once you've logged in, you want to click onto Assets or Wallets on the right hand corner of the page here. And now once you're inside your overview of your wallet, there should be a Web3 tab at the top here. My application doesn't have it, but I'll essentially show you the process from here. So now go ahead and click on that Web3 tab and then tap Restore Wallet, and then you can choose your preferred restoration method. So you can choose from iCloud. So ensure that your Binance app has access to your iCloud storage. This method retrieves the key share stored in your iCloud, or you can restore from a QR code. So use the QR code backup you previously saved. Then from there, enter your recovery password to import the recovery password you set during the initial wallet backup. This password decrypts your key share and then complete the restoration. So after entering the correct recovery password, follow any additional prompts to finalize the restoration. Your Binance Web3 wallet should now be accessible.